I really struggled to type quicker than 50 words per minute as the spacebar kept sticking on the second tactile bump, which is really disorientating when typing. I previously used these switches on my Gamma-K LK67 with no issues, but there are issues when using these switches on this board. Several of you commented about these problems with the spacebar on my review of these switches. I've tried several different switches from this pack, and they all have the same spacebar issues when used on this board, so it's an issue with the switches rather than one specific switch.